Hello traders, we are back with one more setup. Right now on your screen we can see we have Euro AUD. So before we talk about Euro AUD, let's check the date and the time right here. So I'm gonna refresh it, and it is currently 5:49 a.m. Tuesday 12th of May 2026 in EST. Okay, so let's get back to the chart right here, and this is the 4-hour time frame as you can see, and we are below the EMA. We are going short at the current price around 6263. Okay, so we are going to go short, and take profit is this black line around 6230. Okay, so around 6232 I will exit, so maybe 31 pips in this trade, so 30 plus pips in this Euro AUD. And that's about, yeah, that's all about it. So 10. Yeah, so you can see we're gonna go down, rejections coming here, rejections coming here, and we had been in the downtrend for some time now. So let's wait, and I will record the second part of the video when our take profit is hit. Till then, see you again. Alright, so we are back here and our take profit is hit. So before we talk about this, let's check the date and the time right here. So I'm gonna refresh, and current time is 10:15 a.m. Tuesday 12th of May 2026 in EST. Okay, so we took the trade around 6262. Okay, so we took the trade around 6262, and right now the price is 6230. So we are out of this trade, even though I believe the price will go for this low. Okay, so I believe we will go for this low or this low. So we'll have to see, wait and watch, but we are out of this trade by taking 30 pips, as I told you in the beginning of this video. Okay, so it already happened, and if you want these setups before they happen, for example, you don't want to watch these pre-recorded videos later, but you want them instantly, then go ahead and join the program, and you can get these before the move starts. You could have made this money. Okay, so you will find the link below this YouTube video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. You can join the program and help yourself. Otherwise, you can keep me, or rather keep watching me making this kind of money. Okay, go and watch all these videos. It's not a joke. All right, take care. See you again.